My country pipu, una welcome back to my channel today. Big Brother Naija Bella, she don come back come speak on ilebaye, her beef with ilebaye, and also she speak about Phyna too. And also kiddwaya, e recent post about Erica for her birthday don trigger online reaction. So today na Erica birthday, happy birthday to Erica. Her elite, they really did well for her. They buy her so many things, so many things. How many years now since lockdown season? When was lockdown? Was it not 2020? That lockdown season happened. Look at it till now. Erica fans, they see they active. But the truth is, Erica has always been an active person on Twitter. She dey always tweet. They hardly see Erica make she not tweet. She's always tweeting. So any celebrity episode dey always tweet like that. We get fan base, huge fan base before. The fans they always dey retained. So this na the gifts wey they give her. Look at the beautiful cake, give her some perfume, they give her carton of indomie, give her bag of rice. For this country, every say bag of rice na good. You see, and na mama, na even mama good they even give her as bag of rice. They give her a lot of things, vouchers to take go do wetin she wan do. Fuel gift voucher. Imagine fuel wey be say dey expensive now. You see elite, they not poor for that fan base. Well, congratulations to her. So as her fans dey celebrate her, Erica dey happy. Una remember say a few hours ago Erica come out talk say make people pray for her, wey people come dey drag her. So I just believe say elite do this big birthday for her to take celebrate her and to take support her, which is very very applaudable. So kiddwaya na wey be say be her ex-boyfriend come try to do a good gesture for her. So he come out come post this video of him and Erica when that time when two of them see dey do jolly jolly with themselves. So wetin he come write for under there, he come talk say no watch the video, say he go delete am soon. So as he come make that statement, na so pipo come dey drag am, he come take down that statement, come just put happy birthday for there. So as he talk that thing, pipo come under, come dey attack am. So make I read wetin some people talk. The first person here come say delete am na, you dey threa ten us abi wetin? Another one come say you didn't have to tell us you will delete soon. Though it's in your mind, let it be in your heart. You did good by celebrating her. That deleting soon spoil your 1 billion good. The last person here come say if you are deleting soon, why did you post at first? You should have just posted it on your story. Abi now, if you come and post person, you know say you and this person una not in good terms. Okay, you come dey try to um extend your hand of friendship to her for her birthday. You can't go put under say deleting it soon, as if you dey do her a favor by posting her. Whether you post her, you not post her, that girl don't make am be say she don't make her. She can never be a liability to any man. No man fit use yeye money to do shakara for her. So kiddwaya, try make you rest. Sometimes that boy can be very childish. Well, happy birthday anyways to Erica, and I hope say she and kiddwaya go squash the beef wey be say two of them get. So onto Bella matter, still on Bella Q&A, ask me a question. So they get certain question wey be say they ask her few hours ago, and the way she take respond to the question. So make I just bring them out for now. So the first one is the person say, do you and Share keep malice after quarreling? Come put laughing emoji. Because both of you are just alone in the house. She can say, doesn't know how to keep malice, laugh out loud, but I'm good at it. You see man wey be say you and I dey stay for the same house, and in come dey na only una two dey. Even when person even dey sef, maybe una get issues, he go come dey keep malice with you. The malice so tey person wey even dey near you go know to say this person dey keep malice. Any man wey dey keep malice, you are a childish man. Na woman na dey do malice for. I no see a reason why man and woman go fight, man go dey keep malice. You think say you fit win? You no fit win. So the next question wey be say they ask am, they say why did you unfollow ilebaye, forcing the unfollow from her following too? Na Bella come say just realizing this, I have no reason to unfollow. So Bella, you no know the unfollow just na juju on her breeze na unfollow ilebaye wey come make the girl come unfollow you back or what? Una dey use small small dey lie for this internet. So another question wey be say they ask her about Phyna, they say come say what would you say about your relationship with Phyna currently? You both still besties? She come say she's even owing me one hot gist. You guys should please tell her that I'm still waiting. You no get her number, try call her now so that una two go do the gist. And as I do the gist, more bring am online so that we go fit talk about am. Una two no fit gossip, leave una fans out of it. E no make sense like that. Person tell me say Phyna and wetin be her name, Bella, will ever be friends for this life. I no go ever believe am. With the way two of them take fight, e saw their safe for inside Big Brother, where Bella even cry. Wetin be her name? Shegs finish Phyna for that game wey be say Phyna come cry. I no believe say those people dey ever be friends, but you never can tell. Never can really tell with human being. Una take care, una bye.